Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle the faux shaker card because y'all all know I despise a shaker card. So we're going to try to give this a try. All right, so I am going to be using what is the name of the stamp set? The Beach Critters, Happy Beach Critters stamp set from Pajama Crafter Stamp. And we're going to take and I've cut a circle or an oval from some white cardstock. I've used my favorite dies from the Rabbit Hole Designs, and I can't think of the name of them now. That's so sad. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take our paper and attach that. I've just stamped in the center of my Designer Series paper. My 1 centimeter, I'm going to take and pop up my little oval, my little shaker window, faux shaker window, while I go and find these dies. They are the You've Been Framed dies. Lord of mercy. I'm going to pop in foam tape behind there. I'm just using 1 millimeter foam tape from scrapbook.com. I'm going to add a couple pieces up at the top and some smaller pieces right there in that very, very top corner. And the pattern paper I'm using is the Sea Life pattern paper from Echo Park. And I'm going to peel off those backings, and I'm going to add liquid glue to our panel. I'm going to line that up over my pattern paper. It's cut exactly the same size. And I'll press that into place. And I have already stamped and colored my images off screen because I had them done. So I've added a little foam tape behind the little girl turtle's head. I'm going to pop on my little boy turtle right there. And I'm going to pop on some foam adhesive behind my little crab. My little crabby crab right there at the top. And we're going to peel those backings off. Add our little, add some liquid glue after I get those stuck off my finger. Let me tell you that scrapbook.com adhesive really sticks. It got stuck to my fingers for a long time. All right, we're going to make that, there's that part. I'm going to add several dots of my Barely Art glue. I've got some of the Girl's Best Friend Rhinestones from Pajama Crafter Stamp. I'm going to pop those into different sizes. And I've concentrated most of these at the bottom for the faux shaker look. So we're just going to pop on, fill up our little bottom area down here, so that it looks like it's a shaker card when it stood up, but you don't have all the fuss and cussing of a shaker card. If you're like me, I will cuss a shaker card because no matter what I do, I always don't have the adhesive right in the inside, and shaker bits go everywhere when I go to shake it, and it just pisses me off. So I just gave up, and I've been seeing these faux shaker cards around on YouTube, so I thought, let's give those a try. I got these pieces already done. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Sorry, I had to get a drink of water. So I'm adding in, after I got those first layers on, I'm adding in some more to fill in any opening spaces. Now, you could totally change your colors and do different rhinestones. I just kept them simple and used the same ones because I just poured out a ton and just went to using them. So I'm just adding them in using my Trinity Stamp pickup tool. I'm going to add a couple up on the above the little girl's turtle, and a couple around our little crabby crab up there. And that way it looks more like a shaker card. And there is, I'm going to finish this off by adding some gel pen highlights with my Secura white Jelly Roll bold pen. So we're just going to add highlights on through all three of our little critters. And then I'm going to add a little crystal overlay glitter on top of that. After my white gel pen dried, we're just going to come in with our overlay pen and add some glitter to our little animals because they're cute and they need some glitter. So we're just going to add that all over, and then I'm going to attach my card front to a side top folding. Did I do top folding? I don't remember. It's an A2 card base, but I've just attached that to the front. I'm sure it's a top folding. And let's look at my card, and I will see you guys in the next video. You'll probably like this video coming up next.